Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how I got this makeup look. And I'm going to be showing you how I covered all of my dark spots and acne spots. So stay tuned. So right now I'm using my Maybelline primer and my Wet n Wild Coverall primer to just dab all over my face and prime my face. You want to use little amounts, but I have really oily skin, so I have to use a lot of primer. And you want to make sure that you really mix it in and get it into your skin. And of course moisturize. Next I'm using my Maybelline color correcting palette in the darkest shade. I'm using the orange color first, spraying my brush. And apply it to where my dark spots and acne spots are. You want to make sure you really dab it into your skin so that it stays and it blends out really well. I have a lot of dark spots on my face, so I have to use a lot of this. But if you don't have a lot, then you don't need to use as much product. Then I'm using the middle color to just go under my eyes. And around my forehead. Next I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the color 355 and a damp beauty blender and a sponge. You want to just make sure that they're both damp and spray them. I'm only going to be using a little bit of foundation and build up as I go. You really want to make sure you pat the product into your face and not swipe. Not downward motion, you want to make sure that you're dabbing it into your face. And you want to make sure you really blend out that skin color in your neck, because your face and your neck are not the same skin color. So you want to make sure that you get that foundation into your neck. I'm using my beauty blender now to just mix it all in. Now I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me powder in the same color, 355, to just dab it over my face just to get it a little bit more matte. Next I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the color 30, Maybelline Dream Mousse, and Wet n Wild Contour Stick. Now these I'm going to be using all to contour, so the Maybelline stick, I'm using that as a highlight for my forehead, my nose, the top of my lip, under my eyes, and under my lips, also on top of my chin. Also using it as a highlight under where I'm going to be contouring with my Wet n Wild stick. You want to make sure that your contour isn't too dark and it's not completely 3, 4, 5 different shades from what your skin tone is. I've seen girls do that and they look like they have skid marks on their face. So right now I'm just taking my beauty blender and just blending the contour in, blending the places that I highlighted. And now I'm just contouring my nose because when I blended my nose, I kind of went over that and messed it up. So I have to redo it. Just using a brush and blending it in. Now I'm using the Maybelline setting powder in the color 1. It's a little light for me, but I think it's a really good powder to use for baking. You can use the banana powder, but I think this is the closest drugstore product to banana powder. So I'm just using it in the places that I highlighted. For the amount of time that you want to leave this on your face, it's really up to you. I do it while I'm doing my eyebrows and my eyes, which I'm going to be doing right now. I'm using a spoolie, an angled brush, and the brush that came on the eyebrow pencil just to fluff out my eyebrows. Now you can get as messy as you want with your eyebrows because concealer honestly fixes it up so well. Concealer is the real trick to your eyebrows, to be honest, guys. That's the finished product. Now I'm just going over the baking and blending that out. I only left that on my face for about 5 minutes. And I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me powder to just go over those places because I noticed that I have a little bit of ashiness going on. It's all about blending and blending and blending. So now I'm just using this eyeshadow palette that I got from OFRA or OFRA, however you want to pronounce it. And I'm going with the neutral brown shade over both of my lids all over. So I'm just taking that neutral brown shade going over my eyelids. Then I'm taking that maroon, kind of purpley shade and just going into the crease of my eyes. Now I went ahead and did my eyeliner off camera. I'm taking this red lip liner from OFRA and just lining my lips with it and filling them in. I don't really like to use a lot of lipstick, so I just use lip liner. And I'm taking this lip gloss and just putting that over my lips just to give them a little bit of shine. Taking some highlight from my makeup case and just making my face pop, girl. Go over the forehead, on the nose, under your eyebrows just to make those pop. Now I'm just taking the Wet n Wild Renegade mascara and using that to straighten out my lashes. And now I'm using the Garnier Skin Active Rose Mist just to set my face, get my face set. And that's pretty much everything I did for my face. And this is the finished product. I hope you guys like this video, and please like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know if you want to see more makeup tutorials.